Hello everyone. On this video I'm going to show you how I made a Papua necklace wall decor. Some of the materials that I use for this video is a wire hanger, feathers, raffia, and seashells. I started out by taking a wire hanger and as you can see I'm opening the wire hanger, and then I'm going to make like a U shape and cut any excess wire. Once I have my U shape, the size that I want, I'm gonna make a little loop at the end of the wire on each side. So now I'm gonna start to wrap raffia around the wire hanger. I'm taking 3 pieces of raffia and I'm gonna do a large head knot to hold those raffias around the wire hanger. So I found this dust cleaner and it's made out of feathers, and I like the color of the feathers. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the feathers and then I'm gonna glue them on top of the raffia. So I'm finished with the feathers, and now I'm tying a piece of string to one side of the wire hanger right in the loop. And after I'm done tying just one side, I'm going to insert wooden beads. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some hot glue to hold all the beads in place right on top of the raffia and the feathers. Now I'm gonna take all the seashells and I'm gonna glue them just below where I put the wooden beads, and so they're gonna be also on top of the feathers and the raffia. I found these wooden beads, they're bigger, and I'm gonna paint them with this Waverly ink paint because I want them in black. And now I'm gonna take one piece of the wire hanger that I cut at the beginning, and I'm going to insert that on one side of the loop, as you can see. And then I'm going to insert some of the black wooden beads that I just painted, and that's the one I'm gonna be using to hem the Papua necklace. Now I'm gonna trim the raffia all around the necklace. And here it is all completed. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.